Hello traders, welcome to our today's session. It's actually end of this week, and if I can say, it was actually a week that had ups and downs, and we are now looking at what we can get today. So yesterday was actually a day that met the flows that we were expecting. The only trade that I had code to enter was actually USD CHF, where I actually indicated to buy now before this occurred. And this particular pair actually behaved the way we expected it to. So we were actually looking to get a completed cycle, which occurred, and this was actually in continuation to the third level of that cycle. So I actually took this trade and made uh, some money out of the flow that was issued. So after this buy, we were also anticipating a peak formation high entry, which is where the market is at right now. And they have already retested yesterday's high. We can see that this third level actually coincided with the end of the trading day, or with the end of the US session. And this became our New York session high. They actually woke up my time to retest that same particular price point. So with this anticipation, we still expect to see the market to dump to the 200 EMA. And I would say if we have failed to get in at this particular price point, it's now only convenient for us to sell right away, to sell right away this pair to the 200 EMA. So basically, our first action is to sell right away on USD CHF. Then another pair which we anticipated was Euro USD. It's unfortunate that this trade at New York high was actually in Asia, and we had not yet met, and it actually went very well. But our trade, we were now anticipating peak formation entry, either peak formation entry or yesterday's low retest, like what is indicated here, and the market has respected that clearly. So we are now anticipating to see, and this trade, we can take it right away because it's already moving away from our anticipated point. So these are the two pairs that we are looking for today to actually reverse with the cycle, reverse with the trend, and actually make money out of it. Then gold has been dropping for 1, 2, 3 levels to the downside, and it's also at a point of reversal, which we are looking to. But gold has actually ran away. It has already moved a little bit far from our intended point of entry, so I wouldn't advise to take it, because the 200 EMA is also near. The reward to risk will be smaller. So we'll only focus on Euro USD and USD CHF. Those are the two pairs that we will be looking at for today. I don't know if there are any questions before we close off our today's session. All right, traders. So this is the update of our trades that we anticipated earlier on. The first one being USD CHF, where we actually were looking to see the market dump to the downside. So we said during the time of our daily Zoom analysis that sell right away, and after selling right away, the market actually flew to give us around 25 pips. And as I always say in our Zoom analysis, that if it's on a Friday, you actually will need not to be greedy. And if a trade is clear like this one, you need to stack in a lot of lots. So this was a good move, and it is actually observed what we were looking for, although there is still probability to see it going down, but for a Friday it's actually enough. Then we got another 25 pips on Euro USD, as we were anticipating, and we called off that buy right away. And for those that actually took the action, managed to actually come out with profit. So if you haven't closed any trade for Friday, I would say close it right now with the available profit, because if you had three to five standards on your funded account, you've actually made quite a tangible amount of money. Then gold is still consolidating, but I had called off this one. So basically that is what we had for today. I'll actually see you again next week. Have a blessed weekend and take time to have mindset reset over the weekend.